Welcome to the desert. It's super hot and dry here, and you might think that nothing could live in a place like this, but you'd be wrong. Deserts cover about 1/3 of the Earth's land, and they may be dry, but they're full of life. There are plants and animals here that have special ways of surviving. Let's start with the cactus. These plants are built to store water in their thick stems, so even though it hardly ever rains, they can survive. Some types of cactus can store enough water to last them for years without any rain at all. That's because their spongy stems help hold the water inside and keep it from evaporating. Some cacti even grow flowers when it rains, and those flowers only last for a few days. It's like they know when to show off. Desert animals are pretty clever too. Take the kangaroo rat, for example. It doesn't need to drink water like we do. Instead, it gets all the moisture it needs from the food it eats, seeds and plants. Isn't that amazing? And then there's the desert tortoise. It can live for months without drinking water because it stores it in its body and stays cool by hiding in burrows underground. Now, have you ever seen sand dunes? They're tall hills made of sand, and they're always moving. The wind blows the sand around, and over time, it shapes the dunes into these giant hills. Some dunes can grow as tall as 500 feet. That's taller than a 50-story building. And the best part, sand dunes are never in the same place for long because the wind keeps shifting them around. And here's a surprising fact. Even though the desert is scorching hot during the day, it can get really cold at night. When the sun goes down, there's no moisture in the air to hold the heat in, so the temperature can drop by as much as 40 degrees in just a few hours. That's a huge change. So even though deserts might seem like empty, dry places, they're full of life and surprises. Plants and animals have learned special ways to live in this tough environment, and the desert is always changing, thanks to the wind and the weather. It's a place of adaptation and survival, and there's always something new to discover. Make sure to join us on our next adventure, where we'll discover even more amazing places and exciting things around the world. Who knows what we'll find next? See you soon.